we will have to present to the client. Okay, so we need to some sort of create some assets to present to the client. Okay, so let's just quickly make some mockups. Okay, like what can I say, 3D mockups or something like that. So what we are going to do, we are going to go here in plugins. Let's look for clay 3D mockup. Okay, and then we're just going to use these screens as they are. Okay, these screens as they are, like this one, the one in the middle, and this one. Okay, the colors, so we're going to change the colors. For now, let's just not change the colors. Okay, this is the first mockup. Okay, this is the first mockup. Okay, and then what else? The other thing that we want is okay, we are done with this. Let's create a mockup for this one. Okay, the verification screen. Okay, apologies about this. Okay, then let's double click and crop it. Okay, let's crop it. Okay, and for the third screen, we are going to click here. This is not where I want to be. Okay, this is not where I want to be. And then this is what we want. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Okay, as you can see, guys, we've just created some mockups. Okay, because clients want to see something. Okay, it's very important you take care of your presentation. So let's look at this. Okay, if you are looking only at this screen, does it establish the industry? Okay, I think so. This plane establishes the industry. Okay, but somebody might not get the essence because maybe you are, what can I say, a flight. Okay, somebody might think of logistic, but at the same time it might be a flight. But if you look at the logo and the brand messages, then it some sort of nailed the idea that this is logistics. Okay, you are signing up, and I like the colors and the consistency and the overall theme at the same time. Okay, it's not like bright, and okay, it's very professional and formal. Okay, this is verification, nice and neat and clean, and then this is a quick setup. Okay, now the customer will establish a sense of different environment. Okay, these two screens are some sort of relatives, or they are brothers and sisters. Okay, and this one, it's a distant cousin. As you can see, guys, it's a bit different. I'm happy with that. And then what we want to do now, okay, we want to send this to a client. So how are we going to send this to a client? Okay, with Figma we can do prototyping. Okay, we can prototype with Figma. Let's see, meaning that something that we are going to send to the client so that the client can some sort of test and see and feel or something like that. Okay, so now let's continue to prototyping. Okay, let's just click here on prototype. And then if we are in prototype, we want to, when we click here on sign up, okay, when we click on sign up, we want to be taken to this screen. Okay, how are we going to navigate to the screen, to verification screen? It's going to be instant, let's say move in. Okay, we want this to move in something like this, but we want to move in from left to right. I'm happy with this. okay, with all its animation. I'm happy with it. And then when we click verify, we're going to be taken to the quick setup. Okay, we're going to be taken to a quick setup. Okay, I think everything is the same. I'm happy with that. Okay, and then from here we can click sign up. As you can see from here, we can even click log in. Okay, so what we can do, guys, we can go back to design and duplicate this. Okay, and then from this and change this to log in. Okay, is it this one? Not really. Let's not duplicate this. I think I like the idea of people, and at the same time we are going to replace these guys, let's say, with this guy. Okay, we are just making use of this image. Okay, and let's send it to the back. Right click, send to back. Okay, make it small and put it here. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Let's just change this to log in. Okay, here we're just going to type username. Username. I think username, it's to username. And then here we can just go here and look for a lock for a password. We are finalizing, guys. Okay, we are finalizing. We want to make sure that we bring the best user experience. I hope you are excited. If you are excited and you are happy and you are learning something, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow the channel, guys, and let's grow together. Okay, let's grow and learn together. I'm going to delete this. And then what I want to do, I want to make this, apologies about that, I want to make this a little bit smaller, and I want to drag and drop it here and delete. Double click. Okay, I'm double clicking but it's not responding, and delete this one. And let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, and then we're going to type here password. Okay, so when you are here, it's either you log in or you register, just like here. Okay, let's take this exactly as is and put it here and remove this one. Okay, so when you are here, but now the priority here is login, I'm just going to press an arrow left. Okay, so let's take this screen, guys, and put it here as a login screen. Okay, I'm happy with this. Let's change this screen to login. And then what we want to do, we want to go to prototyping. As you can see, guys, you click to prototyping here. Remember, we've duplicated the screen from this one. Let's just click here and delete this so that we can start afresh. Okay, when you click this button, we want you to be taken to this one. Okay, log in, not really, when you sign up. Okay, let me just remove this. Let me put it there and delete it. Okay, when you click sign up, remember you are going to be taken to this screen when you click sign up. But when you are here clicking log in, you are going to be taken to this login screen. Okay, I'm happy about this, guys. So let's test our prototype, guys. So remember, we didn't even give the name to our project. My apologies about that. Let's quickly do that. What's the name of this project? Let's give it a name of Boxify. Okay, this is Boxify. And then what else do I want to do? Let's click on, let's play the prototype, let's present it and see, guys. Okay, I hope you enjoying and you are learning a lot of things. Let's see how is our prototype, how is it looking. Okay, I'm happy with this. I am happy with this, but it looks like it's zoomed in. Let me try to zoom it out a little bit. Let's see. Okay, it looks like there is nothing much I can do. That's not much of a problem. So what I'm going to do now, let's click login. As you can see, guys, we can click login. We forgot to put a login here. Okay, nice, guys, as you can see. Okay, nice, as you can see. So now let me click login and see, sign up. Oh, okay. It starts with sign up, of which that's a problem. Sign up. When you click login, it gets to login. When you click sign up, it gets to sign up. Okay. Let's see. I think there is let's click sign up. Okay, it takes us to verification. When we click verify, it takes us to quick setup, and we are supposed to click get started, and it takes us to get started. Okay, as you can see, guys, everything is working well and I'm happy with it. But let's just quickly exit. There is just something that didn't really make sense somewhere here. I am not sure what is it. Let's just double check. When you are on login, you can transition to sign up. Yes. Okay, you can transition. Maybe the flow start. I think that is the problem. Okay, I think maybe this is the problem. I think the flow starts here. I think so. Maybe that might be the problem. How do I delete this flow starting point? As you can see, guys, let's delete this flow starting point. Okay, so we want to start with login. When we click sign up, we want to go here. Make sense? Sign up or login. When you click login, you are going to be taken back to login. Okay, when you click as you can see, guys, this is somewhat confusing. What goes to here? Okay, let's check, guys. Let's check, guys. When you click login, you go where? You go back to login, and then here. Okay, now I see. There is no confusion. When you click here, it will take you to verification, and when you are here on verification, it will take you to quick startup. So let's just save it, guys. In fact, this is saved automatically, and then let's click here and insert a flow starting point. I think the flow starts from here, so let's click the login and let's delete this. Let's click the login, and what are we going to do? We are going to click play. Okay, we are going to click play. Let's see, guys. As you can see, guys, we are in login. I'm happy with this. And then as we are here on login, we can click sign up. Let me maximize it. Okay, we can click sign up. Let's see when we click sign up. I'm happy with this, guys, and I'm happy with the transitions. Okay, so when we are on sign up, in case we are already signed up, we want to log in, we can click here. As you can see, we can click log in. So let's sign up, guys, and then from there, let's actually sign up. Now we are taken to the verification screen, and then after verification screen, we can click here. We will be taken to the quick setup. This is interesting, guys. Very nice. Okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned something. One last thing that I want to show you is that Figma has an app. Okay, has a mobile app where you can click the mobile app and be able to run this on your phone. So what we are going to do now, we are going to run this. I'm going to use this application. Let's view. We are going to run this on our phone, okay, on the actual Android phone. Let's quickly do that, guys. So the first thing that I need to do, I need to link my Android phone to the computer. Okay, so as soon as I'm done linking, you will see this will disappear and my Android phone will appear here. And then I'm going to show you live when I'm using the Figma app. Okay, when I'm using the Figma app um to some sort of run. Okay, this has shown on my other screen. Okay, not a problem. That's why I'm dragging it here. Okay, as you can see guys. Okay, as you can see guys, this is the Let's View app. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to look for Figma app. As you can see guys, here is it. Okay, let me click on the Figma app. Okay, let's see. As you can see guys, I'm running a Figma app, so I want to show you like everything. Okay, so that maybe if you want to test it on your Android device, you can test it. Okay, let's wait for it to refresh. Let's click on this one guys, this one, the Boxify one at the bottom. Let's click there and see. Okay, let's click there and see guys. As you can see guys, okay, and tap and hold with 2 fingers for setting to leave prototype. Nope, we don't want to leave prototype. Okay, the reason why we are here, we want to see the prototype. So guys, let's just wait for some time. My apologies for this little time, but I hope you are also excited to see how is it going to look like on an actual device. Okay, but if it's taking too long, I will pause the video. Okay, but with me, I like live things. Okay, I like when something is live. As you can see guys, it's loading. Okay, it's getting there. Okay, please be patient. Okay, I like when something is live and you can also see that this is something you can do also on your own. Don't forget guys, I've got another channel. Let me just quickly show you. Okay, meanwhile this is loading, I've got another channel where I am going to code this. Okay, exactly. Okay, I will show you. This is coded UI. Okay, you can come here guys and support me. Okay, if you want to learn more about coding and how am I going to code the screen, okay, this is where I do the actual coding guys. Okay, as you can see, there are some designs that I did on coded UI that I will be coding right here, as you can see guys. Okay, I'm also looking in front of me here. Okay, this is taking some time, so I think I don't have much of a choice. Oh, okay, now it has loaded guys, but this Let's View has kicked us out. So first let me log in again, because on my Android phone I can see it. Okay, it's showing me on my Android phone, but I want to show you also. Okay, so my apologies about that delay. You know, with technology guys, okay, there are some things which you can plan this much. Okay, so my apologies about that. Okay, I don't like long videos. Okay, but at the same time, now I want you to see things live. That's my point. That's why I'm keeping you waiting with me. Okay, so then again, this is showing on the other screen. Let me remove this black thing, and then let me remove this. Okay, I hope you can see this screen. Can I get a plain background at least? Okay, oh, let me remove this and remove this and remove this. I think this is background, it's plain. Okay, I'm happy with this. So let's go back to the project guys. Okay, it looks like it's starting from scratch, but to me it was already loading. Do you remember when I said, when I was teaching, when I said with mobiles, okay, sometimes you think that when you are coming back to a screen, let's say you are signing up and then you are taken to a verification code screen. Okay, when you get into that when the code has been sent to your email, obviously you will minimize this screen and fetch the verification code, In most cases, when you come back to the verification screen, which is this one, this screen will refresh. I think I talked about this. And now this is more like the practicality of it, okay? That switching from one screen to another, it's a big risk because when you come back, the screen might refresh and reload, and you might keep the user on that cycle of loading and reloading, loading and reloading. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is loading. So what I'm going to do, I think I might as well pause the video, but it's tempting me to leave it like this. Okay, let me just take my chances, guys. Okay, let me just take my chances. Looks like it's promising, but you will see, guys, this is nice and it's awesome. But at the moment I didn't see the image. Maybe it's taking some time to load that image since it's a heavy image. Maybe there is a conflict here. Okay, what can I do to solve this problem? Because it looks like, okay, let me pause, guys. I will see what I can do. It looks like the screen, the Figma and list view, there is a conflict in between them. So let me pause the video and I will see what I can do. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I decided to show you that the screen is there. As you can see, guys, the screen is already there, but when I'm clicking it, I hope it's not going to refresh. Okay, I hope. Seems like, guys, we are not really winning. Okay, let me pause the video. Okay, guys, finally I am back. As you can see, guys, we are live. So let me quickly press all the button before it disappears again. So let's click sign up. Let's see. So now it's running on my phone, as you can see, guys. Okay, as you can see, it might be a little bit slow, but it's running. Let me click sign up. Okay, as you can see, guys, it's taking us to sign up, and then let's obviously when we are here on verify, there's nothing we can do. So guys, Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. If you want the Figma files, okay, as you can see, this is kicking me out. So if you want the Figma files, please check the link to my newsletter. Sign up to my newsletter and you'll automatically get a link. Obviously there is a lot of links, maybe source code and Figma files. So the name of this link in that email that will be sent to you, it will be Boxify, then in bracket Figma. I am Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa. I hope this video, it has helped you to learn something. If that's the case, please don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.